La desesperación de pistear.
Hi chamacos, welcome back to another video. Well, today I'm on my way to get a pedicure done, and then after that I'm gonna come home, get ready for Pride to see my cousin perform, my sister perform. Look at my outfit. It's cute set I got from Ross, and I need coffee. This is from yesterday. I couldn't drink it all, it was too strong. Let's get going. I'm late for a very important date. Let me put you guys here for a minute. So later on I want to do like a big thing, like dramatic, super dramatic look. Guys, I'm here. I want this one. We'll see what color I get. I'm done with my nails. I'm at Home Goods. Look, they have Halloween stuff already. So cute. They have so many stuff. Oh, so many, just one aisle, but so many different stuff. How cute. Okay guys, so I'm home. I just did my makeup. I'm gonna do my mom so we can go to that Pride event again. Oh, glitter, shimmer and glitter. My mom. Salud. Alright, Lash. Oh my god. So I'm done. My makeup, my outfit, my hair. Just waiting for the lift. And my mom. We're at the lift, guys. On our way there. Ahorita les enseño bien el maquillaje ya que estamos allá abajo. So we're here, but I guess we're hella super early. It's right there, but like so empty. So it turns out we can't take alcohol, so we came to Rite Aid de volada. No nomás. De volada las pinches alcohólicas la hallaron solución. Una hielera, que hielos. Sister made it. Hey, cuñado. I'm here to support. We here. Here. Ay, sorry. My turn. Oh my god, they're looking at me.
We got a show starting for y'all, so make sure you come see us over here by the stage and give it up for these queens that are about to turn it out. Let's give it up first for, and this is all being hosted by Solita the Party. Where's my
Y me solté el cabello. Con ese pinte lleno de ignorancia.
Damn, carito. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oscar. Yeah. Bartender here. Come on.
Another performer. Let's perform
let's go!
local artist. Aiden!
Y no paramos que nos miren. Don't give a fuck si no me admiren. I don't know anyone a reason. Es por eso que te digo que me siguen. Esta noche brindamos. Vale, vale, a mí me vale, vale, vale. Esta noche la pasamos arrancando, perreando en este suelo con el demo que movimiento que te vengan. Ey, no me digas, no me digas, nah. No me digas, no me digas, nah. No me digas, no me digas, nah. Yo le doy hasta abajo porque me vale un carajo. Shake it for me, bend it over, drop it for me slow. Give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me more. Dame lo que quiera, baby, dame tu amor. I'm the alpha and the omega coming through your back door. Se me sale el demonio de mí y me provoca un poco. Pero en cuanto te toco, te convierto en un loco. Me convierto en un loco. Hey, Santa Ana, pray. Come on. Feeling phenomenal. I'm in that tropical. Feeling phenomenal. If you got that life, get your hands up. Let's have a good night. Cause I don't give a fuck. Let's have a good night. Cause we don't give a fuck. Para los que no me conocen, my name is Naden. And I'm super happy to be here with y'all. Thank y'all so much for coming. This is Jungle. I'm a bad bitch, I'm a leader on the floor. Motherfuckers telling me what I already know. Everybody used to come at me with a no. Did a couple things, yeah, I know they're coming to the show. Used to be the one to apologize all the time. Now bitches always be the ones next to my tribe. That is the night that I lose my mind. Baby, please don't be surprised if I steal your guy. I don't raise the bar cause I set the bar. I'm an alien cause I came from Mars. Gotta unite, hold on tight, take me for a ride. All of it's a jungle out in here. When I getting younger with the years. I know it's a struggle, shedding tears. Baby, put your drinks up. With manita en la calera, no lo venino. Déjame que lo hagas de manera, suavecito, despacito, tú tranquilo. Pa' que la mano que yo quiero perreíto. Vamos pa'l suelo a soltar este culito. Aquí no lloramos por nuestros payasos.
Santana, give it up for Naden! Excuse me. Naden said performance, choreography, outfit, and ass, baby. Okay? Santana Park, give it up for Naden one more time.
Hello? What's up, girl? Cheers, everybody! Woo! No, like this. He wears so long. Outfit.
Estoy todo sudado.
Who's gonna do a little song for you?
What do you guys think? They're so cute.
Matter of fact, let's go anywhere. Call me. Never lie. Here to make you wanna keep the baby feeling like
Let's go!
Can't get a
pisteo. Pisteamos solos. Él pistea solo. Solo. Conmigo. Oh, va, tóxica. Hoy se gasta, hoy se fuma como rata, si Dios lo permite. Damn, another one, Yuri?
Miss you, I'm sorry I couldn't be shared. I'm tough to do. And it's really about this, about having community. It's about, you know, from like hiring.
Aftermath, guys. Oh, todavía hay, todavía hay.
So hey guys, late night shenanigans. We're going camping. Everybody's here. Lucas is knocked down. Alex too excited. And Max just one phone.
The choo-choo train. The choo-choo train is
And
coming.
Jorge. ¿No tienes frío?
Fuck you.
Entonces, ¿por qué te vienes así muy acapulqueño? Guys, it's 12:29.
Traigo frío, sueño y ganas de cagar.
Jorge. Too bad. Miras cagada. Hey guys, so we made it to the campsite. Ay, no se ve.
Finally.
Over there's our camping. A ver, ¿cómo? Casita de acampar. You guys can't see it. Jorge, my mom, my tío, el Antonio.
La desesperación de pistear.
¿Por qué le mostraste el buche?
Le di el de ese muy recio, yo creo.
Esa mamona.
Papá, come over here.
No.
He wants to do the shower with his little hand.
Come outside, papá.
He's like, no.
Está con la lámpara, pues. Come outside.
Is that
Y como él la puede.
I tried.
You got it, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michelangelo.
You're welcome, guys.
Sit right here.
You're welcome to Goose.
Thank you, papá.
You're welcome to Goose.
It's 3 a.m., Alex.
You ready to go to sleep?
No.
Le vale verga.
Huh? Review?
Si no se veía todo el camino.
You good?
Que sabía
Yes.
que venías por acá.
Is it animal?
No, there's no animals here.
Yes.
Only us, only us.
Yeah, rocks.
Rock?
Yeah, rocks have animals.
Rocks. It's animal. Animal rocks.
Insects.
Insects.
There's a lot of bugs. You want
Yes.
bugs? Look,
Yes.
yeah, it's coming.
Hey, yeah.
Hijo de la verga.
Is it in the, it's fire.
It's fire.
It's back. Fire's back.
Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. Coffee. They went to look for more wood for the fire. Fuck. I didn't want to sleep like around 4 a.m. Okay, guys, cheers. Oh my god, it's so cold. Give me a second.
Pues así eso es la pura garra carga.
He cannot, my sister cannot be next to him if there's water involved.
¿Estás la luz prendida?
¡Ay, cuánto chingaron padre! ¡Yo te terra mucho! Mira que el hijo de su chingada padre.
¿Dónde primero?